ride Buddy Boy's first rides at 44 inches, which is Everest and Flight of Passage.
We get scanned in. We forgot sunscreen, so we're gonna see how much it is over here too. I think we can get the sunscreen over here in this shop. We got our little vlogger who's gonna vlog as well. We got the maps, Pumpkin. See, they were doing pin trading here. Look, we can pin trade, Pumpkin, sometime. So they're completely out of sunscreen. There is none property-wide. I asked how much it was and she didn't know. So we have to stay in the shaded areas as much as possible today. Marissa. Yeah, there he is. Actually, I don't think we've seen anything out here for a while. This is the dad. Okay, Mentari is like a dad. That's cool.
By far is the best chick I've ever worked with.
Aww.
That's great.
Like a dog.
That's awesome.
He's even wagging his tail.
He's 41.
41?
Yeah.
Wow.
One of the oldest ones in captivity.
Wow.
But at some point he was.
The rhinoceros iguana. This is right before you get to the tree of life. There's quite a few animals you can see. There's ducks. Just don't scare them. Don't scare them. Whoa.
Mom, we have to follow them.
Okay, we'll follow them.
Come on.
They're cute. Yep. She's right. Get back, get back.
There's Egg. She's gonna be a mommy real soon.
Yep, you can see.
Film her from here.
You can see the eggs. She's laying on them.
Yeah, she's incubating it.
She's incubating it. So they just started no mask for pictures, so we're gonna go get our own on the side of the tree. So we're gonna turn left over here and you're gonna go right past Starbucks and turn right. We're gonna get a nice little side picture. I got some flamingos on the way over too. There's the Discovery Island Trail this way. It's nice and shaded and quiet.
Look at that water.
You can also see the cavalcades on the water, yep.
It's one of the best places to see it from.
Okay, we're at Creature Comforts to try the bee cupcake. I see it in the window. We have the honey bee cupcake, and it's $5.99. And I guess we're gonna try the cheetah mocha mousse as well. Looks good. This is where the Rio sand was. We got to take a picture with that last time. And now, yeah, the secret of the whales. And now we're waiting for our order from the Flame Tree Barbecue to get our flamingo cupcake. At the Flame Tree, they have ribs, mac and cheese, pulled pork, salads. Actually, it smells really good in here. And our flamingo cupcake is ready. There's no cover on it. And Restaurantosaurus has the sea turtle cupcake. We're gonna pick it up. We got the bumblebee cupcake, the sea turtle cupcake, the flamingo cupcake, and then we got an extra mousse for the heck of it.
Yeah. Have the bumblebee.
You want the bumblebee one, bub?
We're gonna all share.
Yep, we are gonna share.
Wow, it's really, it's like hard.
Tastes like
Is it hard
cheese.
inside?
Well, it's hard on the outside. There we go. That's
It
because it's
tastes
hard.
like
Oh, I see.
cheese.
Look at that.
Okay, that's the inside. You want to try to buy a pumpkin?
It tastes like icing to me. I don't like the red.
Tastes like spearmint gum.
The thing he does.
Oh, the whole thing. The whole thing tastes like spearmint gum.
Okay.
To me. It's good. If you like spearmint gum.
Yeah, I don't know. Might pass on that one.
It's actually not bad.
It
I
tastes
kind of like
like
it.
gummy.
Tastes like gummies.
Yeah. This is much easier to
It
cook.
just tastes like mints to me.
Yeah, it does. It tastes like mint.
Okay. There's the bumblebee inside. Alright, we're gonna try that one next. That is a graham cracker cupcake, key lime pie filling, and guava jelly with vanilla buttercream. Yes, it's a honey bee cupcake, orange cake, honey Bavarian filling, and a honey frosting with white chocolate honeycomb.
I totally taste the orange and the honey. I like that actually, yeah.
It tastes like what?
I really like that.
The bumblebee's the best?
So far, that's the
far?
best.
Alright, I'm gonna try both two here in a second. It's
Amazing.
a shame you have to cut it.
I know, it's amazing looking. I love it.
I taste the key lime in the sea turtle. I do taste the key
Wow,
lime.
this smells good.
And so it's strawberry cake filled with strawberry, how do you say that, compote?
I don't know, where is it?
Guava frosting and strawberry crisp pearls topped with sugar. Flamingo.
So good.
Which do you like better, the bee or the flamingo?
The bee.
You like the flamingo, Daddy? Alright, buddy, here, try and bite.
The flamingo's the best one for me.
I like the little balls on the bee. Wow, that's good.
On here is better.
Okay. This is the mocha mousse. So I'm guessing it's gonna taste like coffee or chocolate,
So
depending.
Definitely chocolate coffee.
Is that good, bub?
It
Does it taste
really
like coffee?
does taste like coffee.
Maybe because you know what our coffee smells like.
Yeah, you know what it smells like. Well, Daddy really likes this strawberry flamingo.
It's like a chocolate coffee. Buddy boy, which is your favorite? The strawberry?
Mom, you gotta try the bread.
Okay.
It is so good.
So it's a tie of 2 votes for strawberry and 2 votes for the bumblebee. So I would say get both of
The
those.
bumblebee tastes like Fruit Loops,
Yeah.
and the strawberry tastes like Frankenberry.
Yeah, kind of. It's very sweet though.
It is very sweet. I have a sugar rush now. I shouldn't have done that.
Yeah, sugar rush. So the wait times have gone down. It's 4:30 right now, and they're open till 8. So we're gonna go ride some rides. Okay, we're gonna go on dinosaur. It says 20 minutes, and they're waiting outside. I'm gonna time it. So we're down by a way we've never been before outside for the queue. I think it's gonna be longer than 20 minutes. There's some educational stuff we always miss because we're walking so fast. Some like eggs and talk about behaviors. And then we're in the big room here. This is usually where we wait. Alright, 17 minutes. There was a full 20.
Styracosaurus. Not our dino. Warning. Polyramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor. Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Get them out now! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Was that fun? Yeah.
Yeah, it was scary.
Yeah. I was covering my ears.
Please gather personal belongings from the hatch in front of you.
Alright, so Buddy Boy is going to be tall enough to ride. So we are going to wait in this line. It's 35 minutes. And it goes all the way to the bridge. There you go.
Stand up tall. You're good to go. All right,
Thank you. This is all the Yeti stuff, buddy.
Oh, let's go and see the big wood.
Yeah. Where it supposedly is. Look, there's a footprint. Bigfoot right there.
Look at that.
That's his footprint, guys.
Buddy's first time.
Yeah, Buddy's first time. Woohoo, we're excited. Look at that. Look at the mountain, Buddy. passage for the first time. Yeah, he does touch it.
Yep, he's saw enough.
Good.
30 minutes, that's really good. Alright, let's go. First time for Buddy Boy. Is that cool looking?
Have you guys been there before?
Look, there's a Pandora. Yeah.
Back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni
Okay, I turn mine on. Turn yours on.
You want to do it again? We gotta wait it our turn.
Go back around. Did you like that, buddy?
Yes.
Some of the store Avatar. Whoa, she's close from the movie. Over here, you can make yourself into an avatar when things are normal. It's pretty cool though. We got a girl and a boy. Kid. This is called a wood sprite. Those are cute too. Flashing light effects.
It's probably because you go up and down with it. I think it's supposed to go. Or maybe it is this way.
There's another banshee holder.
And then there's the banshees. We have some at home. You do.
I really want
Some more toys. So it looks like the end of the line is this way. It's an hour till park close. Everyone's headed to the line, so I would say 2 hours before park close. Make sure you're in line in here. 15 minutes for Navi. Let's see how long it takes.
Now this is easy money here.
Especially with it spaced out. The back seats have the plexiglass.